This was like a quantum physics for beginners too. This is called Into the Light. So here's one part that I've been teaching a lot to here over the last year or so, and Ron Moorhead talks about it too in his book. He talks about it at the conferences that he goes to and on his when he's doing podcasts and stuff. So I have playlists on my YouTube channel. I have playlists of Ron Moorhead. You can go on there and there's a bunch of different videos on there where he was on podcasts. I have a playlist on quantum physics. You can go on there and watch a bunch of different videos that explains a lot of different things about quantum physics and quantum entanglement. And I also have a playlist called Skinwalker Swamp, which is showing a lot of the videos, some of the videos that Chris Connor did at the Trail to Bigfoot, where he's about a year or so back, a couple years ago, started out calling Green Swamp the Skinwalker Swamp, and then continuing on into some of the stuff I'm doing with him out there in some of our videos now. So all of our videos that we're doing now from our recent trip out there to the Green Swamp, you'll see that on here too, on that playlist, Skinwalker Swamp, on my playlist. Alright, so I wanted to get into this too about the about light, because a lot of our tools that we're using now, the technology actually came from quantum physics and came around because of quantum physics. Like the lasers, I use a laser level at work, putting cabinets in, installing cabinets, and that came about. The laser came about because of quantum physics. So we have tape measures now that'll has the laser on it that'll give you measurements. I've seen a granite countertop guy come in to template for countertops, and he set up a laser level and it gave him measurements. It measured the whole, all of the cabinet area for the countertops. It gave him all the measurements he needed for that. We have the new cars now that drive by themselves. That has the LiDAR system in it that came about because of quantum physics. So you're hearing stuff about LiDAR. Some of the TV shows, Expedition Bigfoot and the Skinwalker Ranch, you're hearing a lot of stuff about LiDAR and them using the LiDAR stuff on there. So that all came about because of quantum physics. So we have a lot of stuff like that. The x-ray machines that they use at the doctor's offices when you go get an x-ray for something, that came about because of quantum physics. So the quantum physics, we only see a small percentage of light, which is called the rainbow colors. That's the different colors that we see. So there's a lot more. There's x-rays, there's gamma rays, there's UV rays. There's a couple animals that they think can see UV rays. I think the deer are one of them. If I remember right, it said deer can see UV rays. The infrared. The infrared came about because of this too, or that's part of the infrared is part of the light spectrum. But we also have infrared cameras, thermal cameras, because of quantum physics. That came about because of quantum physics. So that's another thing here too with like talking about hurricanes. We get the hurricanes come here, or forming out in the Gulf of Mexico or the Atlantic Ocean. We have the on the weather, you can watch the Weather Channel and they'll show you the infrared camera, the storms. They'll show you what the storms are doing and where they're moving. That came about because of quantum physics. So we have another part of light is microwaves. Microwaves is or electrical currents. It's a part of light. So light is like if you turn your microwave on and you're standing close to your microwave, you're getting hit with you're getting hit with microwave currents, which is a radio frequency, part of radio frequency, and radio waves. So on our radios that we listen to, AM stations and FM stations, is part of radio waves, part of light. That's another part of light. So that's all this has been discovered because of quantum physics. And then you have long radio waves. So I'll put this. I'll take a picture of this, and I was showing this at the Bigfoot conference. So I'll put a picture of that on there too. But that's what I'm looking at here to read all this out to you.